Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Align Plans. Thank you so much for joining me today. So as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be setting up my Hobonichi weeks for a week of October the 17th to the 23rd. So if you kind of wanted to see my layout and you wanted to kind of sit and plan with me, let's dive right into it. And of course, if you are brand new and you've never met me before, hello, my name is Meshi and I am the person behind Align Plans. And we get together here a couple of times a week, and the idea is that we kind of talk about anything and everything minimalist planning, functional planning, and we find a way to use these beautiful tools in the most intentional way where it doesn't just collect dust and you're consuming more. So if that sounds good, you should probably stick around and we should hang out. And if you ever wanted to have any of your questions answered in any of my upcoming videos, please make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I will just leave the handle right on the screen. And I generally give you guys a poll there, and I give you the opportunity to ask me literally anything. And if your questions are awesome, they get featured in the video. All right, let's just move right along. So let me just open her up. I'm not planning on doing anything crazy with this week's layout. I'm kind of trying to keep it fairly consistent. The last few weeks have been working out really well, where the sidebar handle here is set up for the word of the week and a little bit of decor. So we'll do something similar to that. For now, I already grabbed a few stickers or a few decor pieces, but you know, things can always change. All right. And anything and everything that I'm using, if I find links to it, I will just leave it in the description so you can find it. I think for this week, we're going to use the highlighters, the really soft pastel highlighters.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. It's the color of flowers in springtime, red the color of blood through my veins, blue is the color of when you were leaving. Tell me, let me know what you feel inside, 'cause you
let me add some decoration, and then we can at least write in a few of the things that are happening. So nice. Oh my goodness, such an epic fail. Wow, what a save, you guys. What a save. Okay, let's add this fell. I think I'm going to use this. Let's look for something different. I wanted to add, well, maybe, you know what? Maybe we can add like this girl. Like that sounds good, right? Because I thought I would add more like decor, like floral, but no, I like this. We can just add like a little scene. Okay, and then we'll move the house over. I like that plan. Oh my goodness, this video is so long. I mean, I admire all of you guys that can get this done in like 6 minutes. Ready to go. That's not me. It takes me a minute to even figure out what I want and where I want to put them. So if you're a speedy planner, kudos to you, that's not me.
Oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs.
Not bad, and then we can add the decor here. Because I'm not really, I generally don't really write anything in for Sunday, so it's okay. I feel like it's okay. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, Ta-da! Okay, well the note to self, the second part of the note to self kind of cut off.
Oh my sweet baby.
Oh, stop it. I crushed that one, you guys. Way to go. Okay. And then maybe I can add something small here. Like something is missing on this section. And then we can add like some small decor pieces maybe down here. I feel like it's already getting too busy, but whatever. This just got destroyed, so I can't even use this. Maybe some coffee. Spoon. And bacon. Oh, that looks super cute. Totally unrelated to each other, but that's okay. Some bread. And then we're gonna have to put in our word of the week here. What is our word of the week? Okay, maybe it is.
All the things I wanna say. Maybe you'll listen someday. I know it is not enough to say I'm sorry. Didn't beg him to stay. So there he goes.
Let me stencil this in off camera and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I think we did it. So let me show you a close-up of the finished spread. And now I can actually start writing certain things in for the week. Oh yes, and I will add you can add maybe some squares here. Here we go. It looks so pretty and functional, doesn't it? I like it. And then here we can just kind of write some things in the agenda. I don't know if I really want like a line here. I don't know. I generally don't actually add a line there, even though I know that there's like a division, but I kind of, I don't know. I never added a line there. Maybe I can. Should I? I don't know. Let me add it at least with a pencil, see how I like it. I don't hate it. It's okay. It's not really needed. Like, I don't need that line there, so. Because sometimes I kind of get into this section, so I generally don't. I don't divide my sections because of that. Here we go. But this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think, and we are definitely ready for next week. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.